Okay guys, we got a lot of road construction up here. Let's see how it handles all these cones. Coming up right here, including a couple of sharp road changes, so it's really going to be interesting to see how it handles this. Okay, we've got our first turn coming right up here. One for it. You have some spots, as you can see, a lot of cones because there's a lot of road work up here. I want to see how it handles that. Particularly, there's a sharp turn in here where the road changes. Our first turn coming up. Now this is what I want to see how it handles up here. As you can see, there's new traffic pattern up ahead. I'm going to slow it down a bit, give it like the benefit of the doubt, but it's not used to this. But coming right up here, let's see what it does. Nope, I didn't want to risk that, but it looked like it was about to turn actually. Okay. One more shot. If it doesn't work, or if there's too many traffic, then I'm going to... Okay, dropping down to 45. Drop it down to 40 because here's that turn, and let's see what it does. No cars coming, so this could be a good one to test. Okay, let's see what it does. It slowed way down, but it did it. It actually did. It put on the brakes and it actually turned. That was pretty scary, to be honest, because I didn't know what it was going to do, but it actually did turn. And now we're coming upon a car here. Is it going to brake? Yes, it is. Brakes rather heavily still. But it actually took that turn. I'm surprised. I thought it was going to abort because that was quite a sharp, two sharp turns. If I'd have been going faster, it might have aborted, but the fact that I was going slower, I think helped it. So I'm actually really impressed because this is some heavy road work and construction, and it handled it. I mean, I would have, to be honest, I would have, if enough car was coming, I would have definitely panicked. I don't think I would have trusted it, even if I knew it could make it a couple of times, because the car is right there, and if it doesn't, you've barely got any time to take over and correct it, because you're waiting for it to turn, and if it doesn't turn, you know, it's right on. But